Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to fix Telegram sorry for too many attempts, please try again later problem. First, locate the Telegram app on your phone. Then, hold down the Telegram icon until a menu appears. Then tap on App Info. Here, you will see various options. First, tap on Force Stop to completely stop the app from running. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Now, tap on Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing the issue. Then, tap on Clear Storage to reset the app's data. This will not delete your messages, but will reset your settings and log you out. After that, open the Play Store on your device and search for Telegram. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as an outdated version could be causing the problem. Finally, reopen Telegram and try logging in again. The issue should be resolved. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.